In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a GIF in Google Slides. This is a really useful skill to have, whether you're preparing a lively presentation for a school project or spicing up a business report. So, let's dive right in and make those slides look dynamic with ease. First and foremost, you'll want to have your Google Slides presentation open and ready. If you're not already there, head over to Google Slides and choose the presentation you want to work on. Once you're in, select the slide where you'd like to place your GIF. It's important to think about the layout and ensure the GIF helps communicate your message more effectively rather than distracts from it. Next, you'll need a GIF to insert. You can search for a GIF directly from Google by opening another tab in your browser and typing in your search query. For example, you might search for funny cat GIF if you're going for a light-hearted touch. When the search results appear, switch to the Images tab to see the GIFs available. Make sure it's labeled as a GIF by verifying with the search tools or simply checking the properties of the image you select. Now, right-click on the GIF you've chosen and select Copy Image Address from the context menu. This step is crucial because it allows you to link directly to the GIF's URL, ensuring that the animation works perfectly once it's in your slide. Back in your Google Slides presentation, navigate to the Insert menu at the top of your screen and choose the Image option. Then select By URL. A dialog box will appear where you can paste the URL of your GIF. Simply right-click and paste, or use Ctrl+V to input the address you copied earlier. Once you've pasted your link, click the Insert button. Voila! Your GIF should now appear on your slide. You can adjust the size and placement by clicking and dragging the image until you're satisfied with its position. A quick tip: if your GIF isn't playing, double-check by selecting Present Mode to ensure it's animated during your presentation. This is an essential step because some static preview images might trick you into thinking it's not working. Lastly, review your slide to confirm that the GIF fits well with your content and that it enhances the presentation. Keep in mind that overloading slides with multiple animations can be overwhelming, so use them sparingly for maximum impact. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to make your Google Slides presentations more engaging with GIFs. With these steps, you can seamlessly add that extra flair to capture your audience's attention. Thanks for joining me today, and happy presenting.